In today's YouTube video, we'll be getting naked. No, you knew that wasn't true because you saw the title and you clicked. And I love you. Hi, I'm ThirdxTrick. I'm a variety streamer with a focus on single player horror experiences. I also play community games, 5 ways not to be a toxic baby rager in online video games. It's supernatural for some people to let video games be video games, but for others, and myself included, it's actually really difficult. Sometimes you take it personal, sometimes you get overexcited, sometimes you let your emotions get the best of you. Number one, don't take it personal. It's just a game. And that's sort of condescending at first, like when you just hear it and you're emotional, it's very frustrating to hear. But in the grand scheme of things, you'll probably play another game very shortly, and it might go better. It might go worse. Suddenly this game doesn't feel as bad. So the question is, would you rather go into your next game calm, cool, and collected, or eyeballing your keyboard like your Deller from across the room? No, you want to go in there and call the totems of Shroud, Dr. Disrespect, and Ninja, and in Voltron style become the ultimate first-person shooter killing machine. I really can't make a joke about Shroud having a 21-inch penis. He'll sue. It's 31. Number two, the stakes actually can't be lower. You're playing casually. This is a casual experience. Even if you're playing ranked, it's still pretty casual. This isn't a tournament. There's nothing on the line. You aren't Summit about to Molotov your way into the championship. You're just playing a game of COD, Dead by Daylight, Valorant, CSGO, Fortnite, PUBG, Barbie Horse. And if you're speedrunning the game, keep in mind that you're going to restart 20,000 plus times before you get a PB that's worth bragging about. And you're going to play more games afterwards. You're going to have more restarts. There's just going to be more. The game doesn't stop because you fucked up that one time. Don't let this ruin the streak of what could be some GGs, my dude. Number three, take a breath. This one comes off as really condescending too, because when you get angry and someone says, just breathe, there's actually very real science, and I've said this before on channel, and I've probably preached it to death in real life. Oxygen is very important to helping you stay rational. An oxygenated brain is a higher functioning brain. I'm so smooth brain today. Rational people make better choices and are cooler under pressure. Number four, take a break.
Or play something else for a week. Try Civilization or something. Just for a refreshing change.
You've earned it. Do you think that Bilbo was being productive, being the burglar for the group when he went after to save the dwarves when they were captured by the trolls? No, but it was a good break from the story. And I honestly would have appreciated a break from the story like that during the fucking library scene in Fellowship of the Ring. Read the books, you'll understand. I don't care. Lastly, and a little bit more focused to streamers, if you're streaming, let's be real, you should be paying more attention to your chat. If you're watching this video, you're not Shroud level, probably. Like, I'm 99% sure. And that's okay, you don't have to be. There are tons of entertaining esports players who aren't crazy good at the game. Obviously, they're good enough, but they don't have to be Dr. Disrespect good. They don't have to be Ninja good. They don't have to be Shroud. They don't have to be these guys to be entertaining. They still pull in big crowds of people, hundreds of thousands of people in their stream every day, and they're entertaining and interactive with chat. And that's what's more important at that point. But let's say you're not a streamer. Let's say you are practicing for a tournament. Instead of slamming your desk, instead of losing your cool, you should be checking your stance, checking your loadout. You should be checking to make sure that everything you need to be successful is working. And if it's not, fix it. And then just go right back to the game. Make sure your callouts are good. Make sure your Wi-Fi connection is good. Stop using Wi-Fi. What the f, bro? Is your game on the SSD? Bonus tip. Bonus tip. Bonus tip. This one keeps me in check every day, especially when I'm really close to being like a toxic baby rager, or I'm about to be a toxic rage baby. Are you being the person that Mr. Rogers wants you to be right now? Naked on camera.